Hello everyone, my name is Clarix and today we're going to be working with simple interest application. In this case, we're going to be finding the interest amount that the person is going to earn after 2 years specifically. So the word problem states Huda receives a $42,593 grant to start a community garden. The grant is placed in a fixed rate account that earns simple interest at 3% per year. Assuming that the interest isn't compound, how much interest will Huda earns after 2 years? Round to the nearest cent. So in this information is giving us three important information. So first of all, we have here the principal amount. So the principal amount here, which is P is also equivalent to the definition as original amount of money invested or borrowed before any interest added. So this is going to be P. Anything that has a sign of percentage is usually correlated with the rate. We put an R, and anything that has some sort of timing, it's going to be this. That's a year, but we're going to put T instead, indicating time. So if we interpret this information, P, the principal amount, is going to be $42,593. Then the rate is going to be considered 3%, but in reality, if you want to find the rate, we have to divide 3 divided by 100, and that's going to give us 0.03. And this is our rate information. And then we have the time, which is considered 2 years, right? And we're going to plug in this information into the formula. The formula that we have here is I is equal to the principal times the rate times the time. So if we plug in that information, we're going to say that T is equal or approximately 2, because we already have decimals here. P, which is interpreted as $42,593 times the rate, which is 0.03, times 2, which is the time. And though something very important that we should take in consideration is that we should start multiplying from left to right. So in this case, we're going to multiply first 42,593 times 0.03. And that's going to be that the interest is approximately, when we multiply that amount, it's going to give us 1,200. Wait, 1 second. Yes, 1,277.79. And then now we times 2. Do you see how I kept the 2? I didn't forget about it. So the interest amount is going to be approximately, because we have decimal. Every time we have decimals, we put the approximate sign. So it's going to be approximately 2,500, and that's going to be in dollars, 555.58. So that's going to be your answer. You're looking for the interest, and there you have it. Thank you for watching.